Hi everyone, it's my favorite time of year, stone fruit season, and I eat a ton of them. While they're great to eat just on their own, it's nice to make something else delicious out of them. So today, I'll show you how to make this roasted peach salad with feta, cherries, and pistachios. So let's jump right in. When you cut your peaches, look for the line down the middle of the fruit and cut just to the side of the line. This will let you know what way the pit is going. I usually end up hitting the pit, but it's not a big deal. Now some are going to say, I can just cut them in half and pop the pit out. You can, but these are clean peaches, not freestone peaches, so the pit doesn't just pop out. Let's make our marinade for our peaches. We need to cut our mint into strips and add the peaches to a bowl. We're going to marinate these in two things, cherry vinegar and honey. And this is by far my favorite cherry vinegar. I rarely show brands, and this is not a sponsored video, but O Brands is hands down my favorite. They don't make a vinegar I don't like, so if you can add this to your pantry, you should. Then add your favorite honey, give everything a mix, and let it sit for 15 minutes. While we're waiting, we can get fancy and cut our parchment into a paper circle. I do this so it's going to fit into the bottom of the pan. To do this, fold your parchment paper in quarters, then just keep folding in half. Find the center of your pan and cut the excess parchment off. And you should end up with a circle like this. Now we just need to put our peaches in the pan and roast them. I'm doing this in the air fryer, but you can do this in an oven as well. I end up cooking these for a total of 9 minutes in the air fryer at 400 degrees. And they should come out looking something like this. Make sure that you let them cool down before you peel them. The last thing we need to do with the peaches is slice them in whatever size you like, or you can leave them in big pieces. It's up to you. Let's add some more flavor with fresh cherries. All we have to do is cut them in half, take out the seed, and add these to our leftover marinade. We also need to add some olive oil so you can make it into a vinaigrette. Add the peaches and toss everything together. We also need to crush some pistachios. You can do this by just smashing them underneath your knife. If you don't like pistachios, almonds would be a great substitute. To build our salad, we're going to start by putting some arugula on a plate. Add our roasted peaches and cherries on top of that. Drizzle the vinaigrette all over the plate. Crumble our feta cheese on top of the salad. Then finish with our crushed pistachios. And your salad should look something like this when you're done. It's packed with flavor. Roasted peaches, cherries, mint, and pistachios. What is not to love about this salad? This is an easy and great salad to have for lunch, a snack, or serve at your next barbecue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.